Stop overcooking your shrimp. Today, I'm going to show you the secret to a juicy Texas-style grilled shrimp. About 250,000 of y'all have watched my short video on shrimp skewers on the grill. So I thought today we would slow it down so I could show you the process of how I season them, how I marinate them, how I skewer them up, and how I set up my fire so you serve perfectly juicy shrimp every single time. You can see my shrimp's in the marinade, and you don't want to leave it in your marinade too long. If you have an acidic marinade, that acid is actually going to start cooking this shrimp, just like in a shrimp ceviche or something like that. So what I do is I marinate it, I start my fire, and then I come get it. Hour maximum is all I wanted in my marinade. I'm going to give you the ingredients of this in just a minute. Let's get these out and I'll show you how I skewer them up. And that's one of the tricks I have for helping cook your shrimp. One thing I do when I grill my shrimp is I like to double skewer it. So how that works is I put it on one, then I put it on two. Now if I have it on two skewers, I can turn it without my shrimp twisting over. One of the tips I have is start off with some quality shrimp. When I'm ordering shrimp to come to the house, I order from Texas Gold Shrimp. They individually quick freeze their shrimp. Guys, these shrimp are not out there for ages on their boat and brought in. They have facilities now. Their shrimp stay out 30 to 45 days and they quick freeze these shrimp while they're still out in the Gulf. So if you want a good quality shrimp, start off with Texas Gold Shrimp. Today I'm seasoning up with some Gator Shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. His Cajun works very good also. I don't want a hot tonight, so I did it this way. And I'm going to tell you what I put in the marinade also, so stick around for that. But let's season these up. It doesn't need to be real heavy. Just a light coating of Gator Shake on here because they have been marinating. They wouldn't be bad just with the marinade on them. So just a light coating. And see how those double skewers work out? Guys, I'm telling you, double skewer your shrimp. You are going to thank me. If you don't thank me for anything else in this video, and you don't do this, you're going to like it. So let's get over there, see if the grill's hot. And if it is, we're going to get these shrimp on right now. Let's get this lid off of there. As you can see, nothing's in here except for the charcoal. I'm going to spread this out a little bit. It's ashed up pretty good. This grill was up to about 500 degrees, so I've got a good hot fire. I have a few extra coals in there that are still lighting, but we want to spread it around and have the coals all over this grill. Now, let's get the grill on. I'm not worried about oiling my grates because there's oil in this marinade. Shrimp's on, and it is a quick cook. Doesn't take shrimp long at all. We're going to go about 2 minutes on each side, and then we'll get it over. Right there, we're going to flip them in 2 minutes. We're at 2 minutes. Let's flip it. Look at that. Got some nice grill marks. This fire is hot. Shrimp does not take long to cook. I'm going to give you a tip for looking at shrimp to see if it's done or not. Doesn't work as good with this method because of the skewers, but you can use it in other ways you cook your shrimp. So I'll share that tip with you also. Here's what I was talking about on this one. Pick that shrimp up with one, turn it over. Oh, they all made it that time. A lot of times they flip-flop and spin. That's why I usually don't do them that way. But we've got about another 60 seconds. And these shrimp are going to be cooked all the way through. And those are ready. Look at that. They are all ready to come off of there. Let's get them off this hot grill. We always love shrimp skewers on the grill, guys. And I think these come out great pretty much every time we do it. I've shared a few tips with you. One is buy a quality shrimp like you can get from Texas Gold Shrimp. And also put the double skewer in there for it. Marinate them. My marinade, here's a recipe if y'all been waiting for it. It's about a half a cup of olive oil, the juice of 2 lemons, the juice of 1 orange. I had a tablespoon of South Texas Red. I've got it right here from Uncle Steve's Shake, and a tablespoon of Gator Shake. That was my marinade. If you don't have access to Uncle Steve's, you can get online and find it. I have a link below. Just use your favorite seasoning that you like to put on grilled shrimp. That'll work perfectly fine. So you can do that. Do not marinate it for more than an hour or your acid is going to start cooking your shrimps. Get it in there, set your fire, come back out, get your shrimp on. That'll work really, really good that way. The other tip here along the way was cook them hot and fast, right? Don't lollygag around. Get that grill up there, that 450, 500 degrees. You're going 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes on each side. Get them cooked all the way through. Shrimp get rubbery when they're overcooked. Here's a little tip that will help you, not on skewers, but on other shrimp. When you start cooking your shrimp, when they are cooked, they will curve into a C. If you don't pull them off till they're here, they're overcooked. O is overcooked, C is cooked. Remember that when you're cooking shrimp. Doesn't work on the skewers, but other times when you're sauteing or something like that, something great to remember. But we're going to give these a try, serving along with some wonderful rice pilaf my wife made tonight. And I think I'm going to enjoy them. They're not going to be dried out. They're going to be nice. They're going to have a crispness to them from the char on that grill. And these are an excellent shrimp. Just pinch the tail, pull it out. Let's give these a try. Oh yeah. Great, great Texas style shrimp. There you have it. Tremendous shrimp skewers on the grill tonight. I hope you practice some of these steps so you can make your shrimp a little bit better. If you do, go down in the comments. Let me know the tricks you like. Maybe some you never had heard of before. Or if you knew them all, go down there and tell me you knew them all. Thanks for stopping by. I always do appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. If you like rice pilaf, I think I have a video on it, and if I do, I'll stick it up here somewhere so you can see my rice pilaf video. I have a lot of seafood videos out there, so check those out. And I'll make sure I put up my seafood playlist up here also, and the subscribe button is always down here in the middle. So thanks for stopping by. We're going to see y'all down the road. I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Chef Johnny's Texas Barbecue. So long, everybody.